Fiverr Pro Freelancer Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Fiverr Pro, a premium segment of Fiverr designed for businesses and individuals seeking top-tier freelance talent. Links to the platform are included in the description below. Fiverr Pro is an exclusive section of Fiverr that features hand-vetted, highly skilled professionals across various industries. It caters to businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs who require exceptional quality work for critical projects such as brand identity, website design, content creation, marketing, and more. Unlike the standard Fiverr platform, Fiverr Pro guarantees a higher caliber of freelancers, ensuring that every professional has been thoroughly reviewed for expertise, professionalism, and reliability. One of Fiverr Pro's standout features is its ease of use. The interface is simple and intuitive, allowing clients to browse freelancers by category, skills, and client reviews. Each freelancer's profile includes a detailed portfolio, transparent pricing, and client ratings, making it easy to find the right expert for your project. Whether you need a custom logo, SEO-optimized content, or an app prototype, Fiverr Pro has a wide range of services to choose from. Fiverr Pro is designed for those who value efficiency and quality. Turnaround times are typically faster due to the professionalism of the freelancers, and the platform offers dedicated support to resolve issues quickly. This makes Fiverr Pro ideal for businesses with tight deadlines or high-stakes projects where quality cannot be compromised. Another advantage is the structured communication between clients and freelancers. Fiverr's integrated messaging system allows you to discuss project details, provide feedback, and ensure your requirements are met seamlessly. Additionally, Fiverr Pro offers a secure payment system, ensuring that funds are only released when you are fully satisfied with the delivered work. In summary, Fiverr Pro is perfect for anyone looking to invest in premium, reliable freelance services without the hassle of extensive vetting. It provides access to elite talent across industries, saving time and ensuring top-quality results. If you're looking for a platform to elevate your projects, Fiverr Pro is worth considering. Check out the links in the description to explore Fiverr Pro and find the right professional for your needs.